Namaskar dear students, prayers to Ma Sharda. We are preparing for JEE and NEET. Okay, the chapter is unit and measurement. Okay, one problem I will solve and one I will give you as self practice. Okay, the problem is in equation P plus A by B square, other bracket multiplied by V minus V equals to RT, where P is pressure, V is volume, T is temperature. Find dimensional formulae of A, B and R. Okay. Now see, first of all, what is this equation actually? Okay, you know the ideal gas equation PV equals to mu RT, where mu is number of moles. Okay, that is ideal gas equation. In that equation, we have assumed everything ideal. But for real gases, we have to make some corrections. Okay, so after making those corrections, we obtain this formula. So this is called real gas equation. Okay, so this was about just information about the equation, but we are not concerned with that. We are only concerned with the dimensional formula. Okay, now see, we know that these two only can be added if both have same dimensions. Okay, so I can write dimensional formula of P equals to dimensional formula of A upon V square. So A will be equal to P into V square. P, pressure. We know that pressure equals to force upon area. So force is M1 L1 T minus 2. Area is L square. Okay. So pressure will be equal to M raised to 1, L raised to minus 1, T raised to minus 2 into volume. Now we know that volume equals to L cube, but we have to make square of it. So it will be L raised to 6. Okay. So M raised to 1, L raised to 5, T raised to minus 2. That is dimensional formula of A. Now again we know that V minus B is possible only if dimensions are equal. So dimensional formula of V equals to dimensional formula of B. So dimensional formula B equals to volume, that is M0 L3 T0. Okay. Now about R. Actually, what is R? R is called gas constant, universal gas constant. Okay. So see here, R will be equal to this multiplication divided by T. Now see, there are two terms, but we have to write df of L only one, that is P, that is M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. For these also we have to write only once, that is L cube. Now this is temperature, see, not time period. Okay, this is capital T is used here for temperature. They will give you. Okay, in every physical equation they will give you information about the quantities. Okay, so here this is the unit of temperature is Kelvin, so it is K. So finally it is M raised to 1, L raised to minus 1 plus 3, that is 2, T raised to minus 2, K raised to minus 1. You can also derive its unit. See, M1 L2 T minus 2 is for work, that is joule. So joule per Kelvin. Okay. They may ask you df of A by B, B by A into B. Okay. Different type of twisting may be possible, but the basic idea is this. Okay. Now self practice. Okay. Time period capital T is proportional to R raised to X, rho raised to Y, S raised to Z. As they are not given here constant, we have to consider it as dimensionless. Okay. Then where R is radius, rho is density, S is surface tension. Find values of X, Y and Z. First of all, we know that time period equals to time required to complete one oscillation. So it is one type of time. Okay. Radius we know one type of length. Rho, density we know mass upon volume. Okay. What is surface tension actually? See, on free surface of liquid, okay, if we imagine a line of unit length, the molecules at one side of the line will offer force of attraction perpendicular to the line and parallel to the surface. Okay, that force per unit length is called surface tension. So from this you can derive df of S here. Then put all the df of T, you know it is one type of time. Then compare the dimensions. Okay, and you will get X, Y and Z. Write the answers in comment. Okay, so take a screenshot. Okay, all the best. Bye.